Hey guys, my name is Nate and I'm the Otter Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be opening up my March Cairn box. Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing is opening up my March subscription box. It's like, as I noticed with the April one, not all boxes are the same. So let's open up mine. Okay. So this month's quote is, "If a tree falls in the woods, be there to hear it." Which is actually pretty cool. The wrapping. Okay, so then we have the wrapping. So it's a card that gives you information on what we entered, the normal Caren tag. Okay, now, what everyone's here for, let's take a look. Ooh. Okay, so we have a Hideaway collapsible bottle. Huh. I actually have another collapsible bottle that I'm going to be taking that I've been working with. This one looks really cool. But I will save that for a testing video. That's really cool. Looks like it opens up both ways, so it's worth a shot. Okay, let's see. Fruit Drops Energy Chew Orange. Ooh. From Scratch Labs. So it looks like a nice little fruit chew. I do like fruit chews and I do like orange, so from Scratch Labs. So look forward to giving that a try. Exercise hydration mix with lemon and lime. Ooh. They got my favorite flavor for hydration. Thanks. Same thing, Scratch Labs hydration mix, which I've been kind of looking for pouches like these. Looks like these are also like some other ones that are out there. Non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, and this one's vegan, kosher, and delicious. So that's your thing. This is good. Let's see. Yeah. Aloe Up Pro SPF 50. Aloe-based dry formula absorbs quickly, oxidizes. This is something I can't try today. Sheer fact that it's overcast. But actually, I could use this. So I could have used this the other day. But okay. Let's see, what else do we got? We got a Squeeze Light from Night Eyes. Something like this actually I could keep on my rugged body, push button activation, replacement battery, placeable battery. That's pretty cool. Be fun in the test video. A little more to get you outdoors. Oh, it looks like it has huh. Okay, so it gives me a Cool. So actually, this has a sales card for an Otter kayak, which was this month's adventure upgrade that they do, where they add a little extra. They add a kind of an extra expensive item to it, and you randomly have a chance to do it, to win it. And the Otter kayak was this one's one, where ORU kayak, and it's actually a foldable kayak, which I was kind of hoping I'd win, because I'd like to give it a try. This one has a $250 off thing. They're like $1,200. Okay, let's see. Card for the Hideaway hydration bottle, which is cool. Which also looks like it has a coupon on, and same for Scratch Labs. I'll be looking at all of these when I get home. So that's really cool. So what I'm going to do is I will end this here, and then I will put an annotation on here, probably somewhere over here, that will lead you to the test video. On top of that, I will also include links down below to the playlist, and if you're already on the playlist, just stick on. And I can also probably leave a annotation to the playlist somewhere around here. So let's move on to the test video.